No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello guys! So the end of year giveaway is finally here. Let me tell you guys how we got here. Last year, I decided in the middle of the year of 2020 to do a raffle, basically. So for those of you, we got channel memberships at that time. For those of you that joined, got a raffle ticket with your membership. And then I gave out different bracelets at the time. I've got silicone ones now. You get your welcome gift and a raffle ticket. Then I put out videos throughout the year that have the little ticket in the thumbnail. And what I'll do is I'll use random picker, and then I will pick 10 winners. And I will either put it, if I can't get in touch with you, I will go ahead and put it underneath your comment, underneath that video, that you need to contact me to get your raffle ticket, and I'll send it out to you. Or I'll get in touch with you on IG or whatever other types of social media I have, and you'll get raffle tickets that way. Those are the only ways to get raffle tickets. I'm going to be changing it up this year. We're going to be doing more raffle tickets more often and updates weekly for the Gem Squad members. Now, you do not have to be a part of my channel to participate in this. As long as you're watching those videos that have the little ticket in the corner of it, you have the opportunity to get raffle tickets. Now, those raffle tickets at the end of the year, I have collected 2021 releases for this year, and then I threw in some other palettes as well. So not all of them are new releases, but I do get to draw the tickets today and match the tickets to the palettes. And basically we pick a palette first and then pick a winner, and then I get in touch with you and we send it out, and that's that. If you have any questions, put that down in the comments below. You guys can always email me too with just about anything. Just let me know. Okay, so here are the raffle tickets for this year. Super excited. There's quite a bit in here. We are going to put it in this cup here. And then you will have like a week to get in touch with me if you're not watching this video. Usually I do a live stream, but my daughter Kayla is sick right now, and my son in the background, he's on that headset thing that he got for Christmas, and I mean, he talks smack. It's 8-year-old talk smack talking kind of thing, but it's just like, and they just don't stop. I mean, for real. So basically what I'm going to do is shake up this cup, and we're going to pick a palette. And one of the palettes I have here is the Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup Palette. Let's open her up. It says 16 colors. It says Tropics on it. And this is what she looks like. This is a palette I probably got in a subscription box that I knew I was not going to use, so why not add more to the end of your giveaway, right? All right, so let's go ahead and choose the winner, and then we will tape the ticket to the palette so I know what goes where, and you guys can get in touch with me. And of course, I will leave all of my information down in the comments below or in the description box. I got my first piece of tape. Let's draw. Okay, we've got one. Here it is. Let me just put the cup down. GLORIA! It's GLORIA Lagoon! Congratulations, sweetheart! I'm so excited. I hope that you are too. I am going to tape this to the palette, and we're going to move on. Oh, I'm so excited. I love doing this. I do. I absolutely love doing this. I love collecting stuff throughout the year. I don't know. It's just awesome. Okay, so the next one we have got is the One Size by Patrick Starr. And this was designed for people with long nails, from what I understand. It's the Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. This is what she looks like. Here she is here, in perfect, brand new, waiting to go home with one of you. Okay, yes. But I like how, at first, when I opened this palette and I got it, because I do have this palette as well, I was like, is there a defect? But no, that's for people with long nails. Okay, Karen, you know? All right, so we're going to be pulling out a winner for this palette. Oh my goodness. All right, get back in here. I want to make sure you're safe. Okay. Are we ready? Do you guys have your coffee? Because I want to spend so much time with you guys. And Christmas Eve, my dog was in the ER. We were there for 7 hours. She literally peed blood. There was no pee. It was just awful, so I had to immediately rush her. Then Kayla had stomach cramps, so she's got a virus. That happened on New Year's Eve, and I was like, oh, I want to do my live stream. It was just so crazy, and I know you guys are understanding, and thank you so much for doing that, but I really miss having that time with you. Okay, grab my coffee. I'm actually getting to relax, even though Jackson's noisy in the background. We're going to pick out our winner. Here it is. Can you see it? It's Teint! Oh my gosh! My friend from across the world. I love you. Okay, I'm so excited. The one size eyeshadow palette will be going to you. All right. I love doing this. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So excited. Okay, so that is aside. Now, we have the Morphe x Ashley Strong palette. Let me show you what she looks like. Here she is here. I do have this palette. And I've got looks with the one size palette and this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. There's no mirror with this one. But this is how she is. And look at her. Isn't she beautiful? I just really like how the shimmers complement the matte so very well in this palette. All right, let's put her back and then find out who she's going home with. Ooh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here we are. Are you ready? Bobbie! Bobbie Loves Beauty. Oh my gosh, I love her. She has a channel. I'll link it. You guys should. She's like beautiful and sweet and so down to earth, and I just love her. So I'm hoping she doesn't have this palette already. But if she does, she can always give it away on her channel if she wants, or she can do, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's put this aside, and then I have got some palettes that are not new releases, but then I've got a new release. Let's see. Let's put this aside. Let's do the SpongeBob. We have to do the SpongeBob one because this, I remember, oh my gosh, the story trying to get this. Walmart didn't put it out when they were supposed to, and it was just crazy and hectic and all that. Yeah, it was. My dad was actually looking for an eyeshadow palette with me. Like, it was hysterical. He's like, my daughter does this makeup thing. Yeah. Okay, ready? Aww, it's Latanya. Congratulations, sweetheart. I hope you don't have this palette. We shall see. Latanya also has a channel. I've known her for a while now. Super sweet, super down to earth. Love her. SpongeBob's going home with you. Like I said, I've got looks for most of these palettes if you want to check them out. Okay, now I've got the Poolside by Ibby. I think it's Ibby is how you pronounce it, or an IBY, or I don't know, something like that. But anyway, let's open her up and let me show you what she looks like. She's pretty. It's another one that I wasn't going to use. Probably came in like Fashionsta or something. I don't know. It says you are more than beautiful on the mirror. That's super cute. Okay, so she needs a home. She needs a home. Let's get her one. Here, Jackson. I'm so sorry. Okay. Now, I picked out Teint again. Okay, I have to draw another one because I've got to give someone else a chance. I'm sure you understand. I love you though. I do. But we have only a few palettes left, and I want to make sure. I wish I could give them all away. I cannot wait until I get like 1 million subscribers and do these huge giveaways. So I'm going to draw again. But I will include something else in your package when I send it to you. You guys are like my favorite people of all time. Okay, so the poolside palette. Sharon. Oh my gosh, I love Sharon. She is amazing. And these colors would be pretty good for her. Sharon, congrats, my love. And I've been praying for you. Those of you that have been having a rough time, just know that you're in my prayers. Like, seriously. And those of you that are a part of the Gem Squad, you know I have that board with your name on it, and I've been starting to put pictures up there, and I've got my prayer wall in my room. I just really love connecting with you guys and getting to know you and all of those things, and you just mean a lot to me. And if you're new, well, let me know. I want to get to know you. Okay, now I've got 2 NYX Off Tropic palettes. I think I just picked these up randomly. I picked up like 5 of them, did giveaways with some of them. This is what it looks like. I don't want to take the plastic off because it's actually taped down. But we've got 2 of those, and they need homes as well. Okay. Chelsea Troxel. Hi, Chelsea, congratulations. Another sweetheart. I think I see her more on Instagram than I do on YouTube, but I love communicating with you guys. So let's put this aside with her name on it. And then we've got 1 more to draw. And then I can tell you what I want to do for Valentine's Day. Okay. Our sweetheart. Okay, the next one. Here she is again. Go ahead and it's Stacey from Flawed and Fabulous. She also has a channel, and she's amazing and wonderful and beautiful like all of you. I'm so attached. I'm so attached to you guys. Can you tell? So I don't think she's got more Morphe palettes than anything, but then again, she does have like over 700 palettes. I'm pretty sure that's what she said. Like, wow. Isn't that crazy? So hopefully she doesn't have this one. Now that I have chosen, we're just going to go randomly back over the winners here. So Stacey from Flawed and Fabulous. We have Chelsea. Then we have Latanya, then we have Bobbie, and then we have Teint, and then we have GLORIA. I am so excited. Guys, the more members I get, the more palettes I can get. And I'm so excited to welcome you newbies that haven't gotten in touch with me to get your welcome gift. Please do that. Definitely email me. And if you're new to this channel and you're seeing this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Give this channel a chance. I love to do things and love to give back for you guys. I did put up a post on the community tab, and I asked you guys to nominate 2 people that would like beauty items that were having a rough time, and you guys gave me 2 names, and I think I have addresses for both of them, so I'm going to be sending them out something. I'm actually going to go to the store and pick out something for them. So thank you for doing that. It's just, my channel is all about beauty over 40, beauty at any age. I am a makeup artist. I did take those classes to get that certification, and I do apply makeup on other people. Since COVID, not so much. But of course, I'm a mom of 4, and I have 3 kids at home. 1 has a disability, and I work pretty much all the time from home and as a counselor and all those different things. So if you have any questions for me, or you want to get to know me better, put that down in the comments below. My favorite color is purple. Most of you know that. What is your favorite color? If you're new, let me know. If you're not new, you can remind me. That's fine. And thank you for being a part of this channel. Every single one of you means so much to me, even the ones that are not subscribed. You guys have no idea. You coming to the channel and hanging out with me and listening to what I have to say. I give my honest opinion on reviews all the time, and I love doing those things for you. I just hope that it helps you out. I'm going to be doing more fashion. I do have a closet video coming out. Yes, I cleared out my closet and sent it to 3 YouTubers. They can rate it, sell it, wear it, whatever they want to do. So don't be missing out on things. Definitely hit that notification bell. And we are going to have like a love fest for February. All right, guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Congratulations to every single one of you. Remember, if you did not win this time, there's always time in the future. Thanks, guys. I love you. Have a great new year. Bye.